This is your girl, Crystal Lauren, the Next Level Slayer, and this is my channel where I bring you strategies, opportunities, and ideas to take your business, your money, and your mindset to the next level. If you're ready to go to the next level, this is an episode you don't want to miss. Stay tuned.
Now listen, I've been quiet for a reason. Behind the scenes, I've been building something powerful, something that connects creativity, technology, and style. First up, y'all know my heart. Beadistry designs, my handmade jewelry, and beaded pins aren't just accessories. They're expressions of power, purpose, and personality. And now I've taken it to the next level by pairing it with some revolutionary AI influencers. That's right, I created an entire digital universe called Melanin Made Imagery, where our AI influencers bring fashion, storytelling, and branding to life. They're not just avatars, they're digital trendsetters helping boutique owners, stylists like you grow your brand through storytelling, visuals, and unforgettable content. Make sure you check out my other YouTube channel, Melanin Made Imagery. The link is in the description. So here on Next Level Slayer, I'm pulling back the curtain, showing you how I'm using AI, branding, and pure creative hustle to build an empire from the ground up. You'll get behind the scene looks, strategy sessions, maybe a few tea spills, and definitely a whole lot of inspiration to help you boss up your brand. So if you're ready to elevate your business, unleash your creativity, and step into your next level with confidence, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and get ready to slay this journey with me.